Hello and welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we'll be doing our product assembly of our WH60 book. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be needing 2 parts G, 2 parts H, 2 parts C, 8 parts number 3, and 8 parts number 5, as well as the included Allen key. This is a repeating step, so what we do for one, we're going to repeat for the other. Let's go ahead and assemble now. We're going to be doing the same for the other one. Next, we'll be needing 2 parts I, our backboards. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing 1 part F, our board, and 8 of our number 1 screws. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll take 2 of our previous assemblies. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing 4 of our lockers, number 2, and number 9 our stickers. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll require previous assemblies again, as well as 4 of our number 3 our wooden dowels. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing 4 parts 2 again, and 4 of our number 9 stickers. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing 4 parts number 6, as well as 16 parts number 7. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing 4 parts D, our boards, as well as 16 parts number 4, our standoffs. Let's assemble now. When installing part number 4, you'll notice that there's additional piloted holes here, so you can adjust your varying heights of each board. For this example, we're going to go ahead and install it on the middle on each. Let's go ahead and assemble. For our last step, included is our number 8 anti-tipping bracket. We're not going to install it for this example. Please refer to our manual on how to install this. We'll go ahead and continue to close up all the screw holes with part number 9. Let's do that now. Thank you so much for watching along our product assembly of our WH60 book. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assembly videos and products. Thank you.